family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide, and we are on July 3rd, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. Just overlooking satellite imagery yesterday from the Ghost 16 satellite, showing here the large cumulonimbus popping up all over the United States yesterday, as there was a very warm and humid air mass over most of the United States and also Canada. And look at that swirling vortex of cumulonimbus clouds. Yeah, it's crazy stuff just over Florida. A lot of action in Utah, North Dakota, South Dakota yesterday, and I was taking some pretty fantastic pictures here in Alberta as we had that cold front smashing and low pressure center developing right over Calgary. So we had some we had storms all around Calgary, but nothing really in the city. But it made for a great sight around the city, great clouds as that cold front came in. Now overlooking the Atlantic Ocean there, a large low pressure center heading west. And also here on Meteor Earth, around the world we will go, still watching Properoon, and also now tropical storm number 10 in behind, and most likely will be heading towards Japan, not the Philippines as I had thought. It's still a lot of moisture associated with all of these systems hitting the coastal lines of Asia and Japan. Also watching Hurricane Fabio head straight out into the Pacific Ocean. And in the coming days, as I had said yesterday, there's a cold front coming through. It's only 12 degrees here in Calgary right now, so the heat wave will be over for most of eastern Canada later on in the week as that cold front comes through. Watch for a lot of pop-up thunderstorms as these two very extreme climates clash. Extreme cold coming straight from the pole. Around the world we go, looking at a pretty cooled off Russia. And here in the southern hemisphere, one of the largest low pressure systems I've seen, right in the middle of South America and Africa. And in the coming days, head straight towards Antarctica. Watch for coastal flooding, Buenos Aires and Venezuela, as large low pressure centers heading there as well. Another one following behind, and that's a pretty large one as well. Low pressure centers affecting Tasmania and southeastern parts of Australia and also New Zealand. Watch for coastal flooding along the west coast of New Zealand as they are battered by this low pressure center heading their way in the coming days. So yeah, big deal today is those fires. There are more now. There's about 14 that are active, huge forest fires in Russia. And you can see here from space, you can see the difference here between the smoke and the clouds. And wow, there are a lot of fires, and that is a lot of smoke. So stay aware and prepared. Are they testing the dew? Do the dew? Who knows? But around the world we go, looking at disasters, and Properoon and also tropical cyclone number 10 are going to be the big stories this week. And quite possibly a tropical storm developing in the Atlantic Ocean. Keeping an eye on that. But yeah, Properoon, not reaching category 2, but very close. And that was a very large storm in mass, not in strength, but in mass. It was a very large storm, so watch for these massive storms to keep forming. And this is a look at Hurricane Fabio today. Still very dry, high pressure climate in California. High pressure climate in Russia, where these fires are going. Are they geoengineering? Are they trying to warm the northern hemisphere because they know that we're on the verge of a mini ice age? I don't know, you tell me. Hit the comment section, tell me what you think. Don't forget to hit that like button and the notification bell if you haven't hit it yet. But yeah, just around the world, we're going to be looking at, brought to you by NASA Worldview, photos of these beautiful cloud tops, Tropical Storm number 10, and Proper Rune. But watch come August here in North America, as winter tries to usher its way back in, our transition will be electric. Looking here at the smoke overlooking the fires in California. I was going to look at the smoke over Saskatchewan. There's quite a few fires in Saskatchewan as well, but very cloudy conditions. Hopefully dampers. And you can see here the low pressure center that was developing over Alberta, and we'll be heading east, southeast. So yeah, cold temperatures, lots of moisture here in Calgary. Lots of chemtrails out in the middle of the ocean. Yeah, I want to thank you for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide, posting my severe weather analysis and disaster alerts from around the world, keeping you updated. The only thing I did not talk about today was earthquakes. But it's the same old right now, and Kilauea is taking all the strength, taking the brunt of all these earthquakes and volcanic activity. So stay aware and prepared. Stay tuned for the next earthquake update. Thanks for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew. Stay young and have fun, and get your Morning Dew. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.